Hi ladies and welcome to my channel. In this video you're gonna get a lot of motivation for cleaning and preparing for a party. If you are new here, my name is Magda and on my channel you're gonna find a lot of content about house and time management. So make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you hit that notification button and let's get started. Okay, so the list for today is long. I'm not gonna lie, we'll see how much we're gonna be able to get done. I have some errands to run, which is first I have to meal plan and then do the grocery shopping. I have to pick up some books from the library, from Walmart, a lot of stores to visit basically. For cleaning, it's basically the entire house because we had a busy week and we did not get to almost any of the regular cleaning tasks that I had during the week. So that's what I have to do. For kitchen, I did put in, I want to pay special attention to the fridge, stovetop, and microwave and the hood. That's the deep cleaning that I have to do. Then my daughter has a birthday celebration tomorrow. So there is just a lot of prep that you're going to see. In the playroom, I have to put like a photo stand, set up the table. We had like a little cardboard playhouse, I called it, but something that kids can just decorate. And rearrange some toys so we can actually fit the playhouse and just have some space for the kids to play. For the party, there is a lot of things like preparing the outfit, getting a confirmation from Elsa to come, ordering pizza, things like that. And for my side business, I just have to record and edit a video, finish a blog post, and do Pinterest. So a lot of things. We'll see how much we get done and hope for the best. Whatever doesn't get done, but definitely a busy day ahead. So as you can see, the living area and the kitchen were in a pretty bad shape, so I needed to get that going, and I wanted to start with a deep cleaning of the kitchen. So I did wash the stovetop, the hood, and also the fridge you're gonna see in a few minutes. Now for the stovetop racks, I think that's what they're called, I used a mixture just of some water and baking soda, and I just used a toothbrush. It didn't do a beautiful job, I would say. It did a decent job, but I feel like I still need something a little bit stronger for that. So if you have any suggestions, make sure you leave them down below for me. But in this particular video, it was filmed probably 2 weeks ago before my daughter's birthday. So that was the weekend leading up to it. I wanted to make sure I get some things done since that was also before Christmas. So all the deep cleaning was not for the party itself because it was really a party. It was just a few of her friends from daycare. But I just wanted to make sure that there are some things that get done before Christmas was here, so I didn't have to worry about that at the last minute. Now, next I moved on to cleaning off the table in the dining room and also the island. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that my kitchen island is a dumping ground in my house. So basically everything and anything will go there. So the only time when there is absolutely nothing on the island and on the chairs next to the island is when people are coming over. Otherwise, you can expect there is always something laying there that doesn't belong. And I also wanted to clean the fridge, like I mentioned before. So basically getting rid of anything that we didn't eat, anything that is no longer edible. So especially before something like when people are coming over or like before Christmas, when I cook a lot and bake a lot, I want to make sure I have as much space in the fridge as possible so I can store the food that I prepare. The never-ending sink full of dishes. Since I cleaned out the fridge, there was a lot of food that was left over that we didn't eat, probably too much. I need to do a better job of managing that part of it, but there was just a lot of dishes that needed to be done, and I usually, when I wash the dishes, I also clean the sink as well. And the last thing I did before I cleaned the floors, which I did not include in this video, is cleaning up the corner with the toys. We actually ended up moving that dollhouse to the playroom where it belongs, but my daughter preferred for a long time to have it in the living room since that's when she was spending the most time. But now that they are spending more and more time in the playroom, we were able to move it, especially when her friends were coming over, and then it just stayed there. So fingers crossed, I don't have to bring that big thing back into the living area. And the next day was when the party prep started, and that's when I included some decor. This is the same, like a backdrop stand that I have used for my son's communion back in the summer. So I'm gonna link it down below if you are interested in that. But this is something that I find very helpful for any gathering. If I wanna like have a background for a picture or just something that kind of looks nice, it's nothing that's overly expensive, and then I can reuse it for every party. I just change the balloons, or after the birthday party, I just put in the Merry Christmas sign on it. So it's something that's, can be used and reused all the time. Now, all the decor that you see, that's from Amazon, so whatever is still there, I'm gonna link it. I think there might have been a few things from last year, but I don't think I'm showing them in the video. But the balloons, the arch of the balloons, all the supplies I bought from Amazon. And of course, all the colors were picked by my daughter. She wanted definitely purple, that's her favorite color. And she really wanted Frozen 2 anywhere that I could incorporate that. So you probably are not gonna see anything with Frozen 2 in this video, but her cake was from Frozen 2. And also, Elsa came to visit during the celebration. And this is how the room looked like before anybody came over. Nothing too elaborate, just like I said, that backdrop, the sign, and I did end up buying them the cardboard house that I also got from Amazon, so they could kind of color it and decorate it, and they were actually ended up playing a lot inside of it as well. And the last thing in this video that you're gonna see is me prepping some food. This was the first time I was making the board, so I was not really sure what I was doing, but it ended up looking good, and it definitely had some tasty options. Most of the stuff I got from Aldi. They have like an entire section with different things that you can put on boards. So if you are ever wondering where you can get that, I have seen that in Aldi, I have seen it in Costco, I have seen it in my local grocery store. So it's a popular thing right now to do. So you're able to find things to put on it basically in any grocery store. And the board itself I got from Amazon, along with those little utensils to pick up food from the board. So anything I can find, I'm gonna link down below. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to go after your own to-do list for anything that has to do with cleaning or organizing or prepping. Maybe you are prepping for a celebration for New Year's Eve that is coming up tomorrow. And with that, I want to wish you a happy new year. In the new year, you can expect a lot of organization coming up, a lot of cleaning, a lot of decluttering, basically tackling your to-do list as a working mom. Especially during those first months of the year, we tend to, really go after organizing our house because it's a New Year's and we are very motivated. So I'm gonna provide that extra motivation to you as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.